Sycamore hearthboard, horseweed spindle. I'm going to give her a try here, see what happens. Might have went a little too deep there for hand drill. Let's see. It's going to take it nice and easy. Try not to get in a big hurry and just first time I've ever used Sycamore hearthboard. Works very well for bow drill. So I might have it there. Yep. A nice size ember there. Hopefully you can see that. Alright, so that was some horseweed and Sycamore. You can see like I said about that notch, might be a little too deep into the circle there. You can see I was just about out of material there. So kind of got lucky on that one. So that's something you got to look out for. The horseweed, when it's really dry, works really good. This isn't on-site collected stuff. This is some stuff I collected a while back, probably a few days ago. Just kind of had it sitting around the house. So this stuff's good and dry, but nonetheless, it's good practice. It's always good to get out in the backyard like this and practice practice. But that being said, once you get it down, it's always good to go out into a natural environment and collect some on-site materials and then give it a try that way. So anyhow, that being said, this is Kevin. Thanks for watching.